London Beatmaker.
All right, what's happening, YouTube? Today we're gonna do something a little different. Typically, what I would do is I'll probably make a little beat or show something with my MPC XL. Today we're gonna work on the Live 3. And instead of playing around with the Yamaha Montage, I'm gonna probably use the Moog Muse. So let's see what we could come up with the Live 3 and the Moog Muse. And I might integrate the Chroma console. So let's just see what we come up with. Let's go. All right, we're gonna go ahead and make a little trap beat real quick. I ain't really did no trap beats in a while, and I definitely ain't did none with the Muse, and I really want to see what these ambient sounds doing. So let's get it cracking. All right, let's play with that. See what that is. It sounds interesting to me. So make sure that tempo good. So I'm just gonna drop it at that tempo and then speed it to my liking. Nope. Messed up real quick. What's that do? All right, there's a couple of things I want to try. I'm gonna try to take this up 5 semitones. All right, I actually like that, so I'm gonna keep that. And let me speed up that tempo a little bit. That tempo a little bit too shy. Let me go ahead and play with that MIDI. See what else I could do with that MIDI. Come on back over here on the sorry, let me go ahead and duplicate this track without the events so that I can use it. It's my monitor track. And let's try to work that MIDI. into a different spot. Let's unmute this. Let's change this instrument to more of like a pluck. All right, I'm gonna run with that and put something like, I need some chords now. I think I could run with that. Let's play with a chord. Let's make a new MIDI track. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and run with some drums, and then at least let me put that clap in here, and then I'll come back and see if I want to put a sub bass or an 808. I'm gonna figure that out as I go. Right now, I just want to get some bounce going. And I'm probably put some hi-hat rolls. Want some hat rolls in there. Try to spice it up a little bit. Okay, so now just to keep it simple, I think I'm gonna go ahead and use a sound from the MPC, because I know there's got plenty of plucks and bells for me, so. All right, I want to put one more pad in there, and I might just duplicate that, but I'm gonna make it an 11th chord. I need an 11th chord going on in there, so Let me try one more pad. These vintage, I don't know if I like these that much. I definitely don't know if I like the Jupiter, but let's just see. Of course, I'm not gonna keep that like that. Of course not. Frodo. All right, so now it's gonna be my little move that I do. This is like the last little thing I do to try to make my melodies line up. I put them all together. All right, that's just me today. Just wanted to make a quick beat, trying to pump these videos up. I might start making higher quality beats on this trap side. I'm gonna start practicing my trap beats again, because I done got more into melodic. All right, that's my beat for the day, man. I just wanted to do a little something, playing around with the Muse and the Live. Couldn't use my monitors, so, you know, I just played around with it real quick. Made a little trap beat. Showing something on the Live. I ain't played with the Live on the camera yet, so, you know, I'm gonna come with some higher quality stuff more so now, because I'm about to start playing with that Muse, because it's capable of doing a lot, and I didn't even use it like I know how to use it. So, yeah, thanks again for watching another Beatmaker. Like, share, subscribe. If you're still here, I appreciate you. See you next time. Peace.